9 Basic Concepts in Geometry. This is the first video. Exercise 1.1. A number line is given. This is O, A, B, C, D and E. Here it is H, J, K, P and this is Q. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here it is -1, -2, -3, -4 and -5. From this find distance BE. If we are writing distance, then use the comma, don't forget. Sixth one is the distance OE and the eighth one distance QB. How to find this? Solution. Distance BE equal to, in B and E, which is smaller, that you have to first. The number on the right side is always bigger. So coordinate of E minus coordinate of B. So bigger coordinate minus the smaller coordinate. You have to write here coordinate of E minus coordinate of B. So that is equal to coordinate of E is 5 minus coordinate of B is 2 and that is equal to 3. So distance BE equal to 3. This was your number 1. Now number 6 I will take distance OE equal to, which is bigger? E is bigger. Coordinate. I am writing in the shortcut of E minus coordinate means coordinate of O. That is equal to 5 minus 0 and that is equal to 5. You have to write it properly. The eighth one, distance QB. Now which is bigger? Q is here and B is here. So which is bigger? The right number is bigger. So coordinate of B minus coordinate means coordinate of Q. That is equal to coordinate of B is 2 minus coordinate of Q. Coordinate of Q is minus 5. This is equal to 2 minus minus plus 5 and that is equal to 7. This is all in this question. So I will finish this in a speed. Otherwise the videos become very lengthy and for uploading it takes a lot of time. Question 2. Coordinate of A is X and that of B is Y. Find distance AB. In that the second one I have taken, second one, X equal to 6, Y equal to -2. In this, which is bigger? This 6 is bigger. Distance AB is equal to, which is bigger? 6 is bigger. So x minus y, bigger minus smaller. That is equal to x minus y is minus 2. Minus 2, and value of x is 6. So that is equal to 6 plus 2, and that is equal to 8. So the fourth one also I have taken, that we will find x equal to minus 4 and y is equal to minus 5. So distance AB is equal to, which is bigger in this? See, the number line is like this. Here it is 0, here it is minus 1, here it is minus 2. So here the number on the left side, here it will become somewhere, here it is minus 5 and here it will be minus 4. Here it will be minus 3. The number on the left is smaller. The number on the right side is bigger. So this is on the right side. So 4 is bigger. 4 is x. X minus y. That is equal to x is minus 4. Y is minus 5. So put the bracket. 4 minus minus 5. So minus 4 minus minus plus 5. And 4 minus 4 plus 5. That is equal to 1. So distance AB is 1. So hope that you have understood. The remaining sums you do yourself. The question I am giving you some idea how to solve it. Not that in the video I will solve all the sums. It is not essential. Remaining sums you can do the practice of it. Question 3, most important question. Which point is in between? Which point is between the other two? The other two. So in that, the first one, distance PR is equal to 7, distance PQ is equal to 10, and distance QR is equal to 3. Here, how to solve this? The biggest distance I will take. Solution. Distance PQ, that is the biggest distance, the largest distance. So this is equal to 10, number 1. Now these two small I will add. Distance PR plus distance QR smaller, we have to add. Distance PR is 7 plus distance QR is 3. Therefore, distance PR plus distance QR, don't forget to give the comma, is equal to 10, and this is number 2. See that this is equal to these two addition. Therefore, distance PQ is equal to distance PR plus distance QR from 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Therefore, now which is in between here PR and QR? This R is coming in between because it is 2 times. So P and Q are at the extreme ends. See the number like this it will be. This is P, this is Q. PR 7. Here it is PR. This is 7 and this is 3 and this total is 10. So you have drawn the figure also if you. Therefore, point R is between P and Q. What is that relation? By the relation P dash R dash Q means R is in between. P and Q are the end point. This way you solve the other two sums. Hope that you have understood this. And if the distance is not equal, then they are not collinear points. And they will form the triangle. If 2 points are not collinear, then if 3 points are not collinear, then they form a figure called as the triangle. If 3 points are not collinear, then they form a figure called as the triangle. Sketch and write the answer. Question 6 I have taken now. Sketch and write answers. In that, number 1 is A dash, B dash, C. Length AC. Here don't give the comma. Equal to. Here don't give the comma. If you are writing distance, then give the comma. Length BC equal to 6.5. Then find length AB. This you have to find. Now what is that relation? A dash B dash C. So AC is equal to AB plus BC. And we will write length, length and length. See this, these are the 8 points. So this plus this is equal to this. Therefore, now what is given? AC is given 11. Length AB is how much? I don't know. Length AB I will write as it is. Plus length BC is how much? 6.5. Therefore, now I am interested